Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to run text analysis on Amazon AWS. Particularly, I'm interested in running sentiment analysis. Note, in order to run the sentiment analysis or run on AWS, I'm going to assume that you have an S3 bucket and IMA, which is Identity and Access Management, already on your account. Okay. With that, please remember that running a sentiment analysis is considered as a PaaS service. What I mean by PaaS is that, yes, it's a platform as a service where you're having the data step and the application step. Okay, so I'm going to use S3 as my data step, and I'm going to use Amazon Comprehend, which is the application service that has the text analysis or particularly sentiment analysis. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to open my S3, okay, and I'm going to load my data. So from my account, I have loaded a data and I already have a bucket. Okay, and from here, let's say I'm going to be creating a new folder. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to call it sentiment analysis. Okay, and I'm going to save. Okay, now you would see that I have a new folder called sentiment analysis. Okay, so I'm going to open it. Obviously, it's a new folder, so it would have no objects here. It says no objects. Okay, and now I'm going to upload a file, and I'm going to be uploading a text file that I already have. I have a file with me that is called text analysis example. I just provided an example, and I have it under downloads folder. Okay, and here it's just a pretty much a very simple text. It just reads that in a rugged Colorado desert of California, etc., and so on. Seems like a pretty normal text that you could do some text analysis. And just to make sure, maybe I want to add a little bit sentiment to it. So I'm going to add something like, I just lost a cat. Okay. And I'm going to save this. Okay. And once it's saved, and now I'm going to be uploading it. And it's under download. And I'm going to choose that. Okay. And now let's upload this file. And now you see that I have the same sample file that I've showed you, and now it is uploaded in S3. Okay. Now once it is in S3, I'm going to need to go back to my AWS Management Console. And now I'm going to be visiting Amazon Comprehend because that is where I have the text analysis or the sentiment analysis that Amazon is providing. Okay, so I'm going to be now launching Amazon Comprehend. Okay, and it does give me real-time analysis. This is the sandbox that you could use, and you could probably, do analysis here. It's going to give me entity, key phrases, language, sentiment, etc., and so on. But in terms of running it as a PaaS, that is a platform as a service, I'm going to have to go to here where it says analysis jobs. Okay, and it shows me some of the past jobs that I have been running before, and you could see that if I here go on the right, some are completed, some are failed, and so on and so forth. And I've been running, multiple different sentiment analysis, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new job. And I'm going to say that this is just sentiment analysis. Okay, and I'm going to choose an analysis type. And like I said, I was going to do the sentiment analysis among the text analysis. I'm going to choose my language as English. And I'm going to go down here and where it says S3 location, I'm going to find the location where I had my sentiment analysis. And that file is right there in the sentiment analysis folder. So I'm going to select that. And I'm going to be having the input format as the full file. I'm not going to do it by line. And now I'm going to be selecting the folder that will be the output I want to place it in the same folder as sentiment analysis, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, and I already have a role, so I am a role, so I'm going to select my role, and then I'm going to create a job. And now, yes, sentiment analysis has been successfully submitted. Okay, and if you go here on the right, it's going to say submitted. Okay, and generally it seems that it takes about 9 to 10 minutes to run. So I'm going to pause right now. It is right now 8:13 in the afternoon. And I'm going to pause, and later, once it has been finished, I will resume and show you the results. As we were speaking, it seems that sentiment analysis creation is in progress. Our status has been changed to submitted to in progress. Now, so shortly enough, I'm going to probably get a result. And in the meantime, I'm going to be pausing my video for now. Okay, so I'll probably see you in about 8-10 minutes. Okay, I'm back, and it seems that yes, our job is finished. It took us about 10 minutes going from 8:13 to 8:23. Okay, now let's go back and see what the results are for our sentiment analysis. Now I'm going to go back to my AWS Management Console, and let's go back to S3. Okay, I'm going to click on S3 and click on my bucket and go into sentiment analysis. And it seems that this is where the results has been saved. Okay, and let's go to output, and it's a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. Okay, it's downloaded to my folder. And once I have downloaded it, and I'm going to go ahead and open the file. Okay, and let's see the output and try to see what it says. Okay, there we go. Okay, it seems that the sentiment has been returned back to us. Okay, and it seems that it is roughly with confidence 93% neutral. So this is neutral, and I'm trying to see it's the mixed is low, maybe a little bit negative. Okay, but it seems that for the most part, yes, we have a neutral sentiment. Okay. Oh, yes, I'm sorry, it's a yes, neutral. So, oh, I'm sorry, we should be looking at this file. So that is text analysis example 5000. This is the file. So neutral, it was 97%. Okay, so even though I did add some negative comments towards the end, obviously it was just one line, and it's very little. Okay, and it seems that neutral is the general theme that you get for as a sentiment analysis. And you can see that the result is given in JSON, which is going to be a lot more easier because I'm sure you're not going to be doing it for just one file. You will be doing it for multiple files, and if you have a JSON format, then it's going to be easy to analyze. Okay, so this is how you would do sentiment analysis using AWS. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll probably see you again with our next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.